Download Haiku OS from the project's website. Click on the Haiku Download It Now button, scroll down and click on the 64-bit ISO download link. Start the virtual machine with the ISO loaded into the virtual CD-ROM. Choose your language and key map. Click the Install Haiku button. Read the information dialog and click on Continue. The installer cannot find a suitable disk partition, so we will need to create one. Click on Set Up Partitions. Click the drive to install into. Click the disk menu followed by Initialize and set to Intel Partition Map. We will initialize the selected disk and write the changes to disk. Click on the empty space at the top of the screen. Click on the partition menu followed by Create. Ensure the entire disk is used. Partition type is set to B file system and the partition is marked as active. Create the partition. Write the changes. With the newly created partition selected, click on the partition menu, then Format and B file system. Accept the defaults and click on Format. Write the changes to the virtual machine's disk. The partition is now suitable for installing Haiku into as indicated by the green rectangle. Close the Drive Setup utility. It is now possible to set a destination partition. Choose the newly created BIOS partition and begin the installation. Note, this video was taken in real time. Haiku is very quick to install. Click Restart to reboot into Haiku. To download and install updates for Haiku, click on the Deskbar menu, Applications, and start the Software Updater application. Haiku will go ahead and sync up its packages. If any updates are available, they can be installed by clicking on Update Now. From a fresh install, there are a number of packages to be updated. I will speed up this section while the packages are downloaded and installed. Reboot to finish updating. Click on the desk bar menu, Applications, and start the Haiku Depot application. Wait for the package list to synchronise. Search for VMware and click on the VMware add-ons package and install VMware add-ons. Close the Haiku Depot application. The VMware tray icon can adjust various options. A reboot is required to install the VMware display adapter. As demonstrated here, the generic adapter is still present. Open Screen Preferences application again. Notice the VMware display adapter is now present. Adjust any preferences as desired. The resolution, colour depth and refresh rate can be adjusted.